got the Zircon Stud Finder from Lowe's for $20. All right, let's open it up. Okay, let's take our information out of there. Let's take the stud finder out of there. All right, it's got nice grips on the side, power button right there. See, it says stud scan versus deep scan. Remove before use, has a sticker on top here to remove that. There's a power button. It says stud sensor L50. Zircon edge finding. Has instructions on the back, and it has an instruction booklet to show you how to use it. However, it does not come with a 9-volt battery, so add $4 for a 9-volt battery. Your total's now $24. So let's put that in there. Open up the cover, put the battery in. Let's try it out. Okay, I have it on stud scan. I hit the power button. It says it's ready. Okay, I hit the power button. And move it over. Definitely fluctuates a little bit where exactly the stud is. Move it over here. I'll move it back slowly. There's the other end of our stud there. Move it slowly in here. There's the stud, and it's going to go off. Move it slowly back, and now it's saying the stud's a little farther in. Okay, I'll mark that there. So we're there. And there. Okay, I'm going to try it again. This is ready. Move that across. Okay. Hold it as straight as you can, get the same reading. Alright, that looks pretty good. We got our stud there. So I got it ready. I'm on deep scan mode. Caught something there. Caught it there. Caught it there, more closely to my original mark. And then it's catching it farther out. On the deep scan mode. So deep scan scans up to 1.5 inches. The stud scan scans up to 3/4 of an inch. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.